Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2015 Mazda CX-3 2-litre SEL navigation. This is the 120 brake horsepower model. This car's finished in soul red metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, rear privacy glass. You've got the shark fin roof aerial, 16-inch alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with the lighter grey centre panels and the light grey stitching. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat. Electric rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car you've got the rear parking sensors. So inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. Removable shelf for increased load capacity. Moving round to the rear of the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, controls to turn off the traction control, tyre pressure monitor reset, you've got the stop start deactivation switch, and you've also got the lane departure mode setting. The centre console you've got the controls for the audio system, so the small dial is for the volume control and the large one is for selection which function you're wanting to use. So inside the car now, mileage wise this car's done 21,850 miles. Sport mode selector, you've got the automatic transmission there, so you've got the selection there. 12-volt plugins for accessories, auxiliary port and USB plugins, and the SD card holder for the navigation system. CD player, you've got the climate control, and this has also got the heated front seats. So into the media system you've got the display there on the home page. Turn the dial to select the audio side, and on the audio you've got the FM, AM and DAB radio stations, Bluetooth connectivity, you've got the USB plugins as well, CD player and auxiliary port. Back to the home page. Navigation with when the SD card's in you've got full screen navigation in there as well. Controls on the indicator stalk for the lights, and you've got automatic headlamps. The other side you've got the rain sensitive wipers. Then on the steering wheel you've got the controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. On the other side you've got the controls for answering and rejecting phone calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible. Moving back outside the car again, you've got the identification plate that tells it's the Mazda CX-3 2 litre 120 PS two-wheel drive model, and it's the SEL. Moving forward, you've got the driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.